Well, down in New Orleans at the Golden Goose, I grabbed a green-eyed dolly that was on the loose. Well, I dig that music, cause she said to me too. I said, pretty baby, come on and let's do the
Dixieland rock.
Well, the Dixieland rock.
Dixieland rock.
Let your head and shake and do the Dixieland rock.
Hey, hey.
With the blue light shining on the swinging hips, you got the drummer so nervous that he lost his sticks. The cornet player hit a note that's flat. The trombone hit him where the poor cat sat. Do the Dixieland rock.
Dixieland rock.
Well, the Dixieland rock.
Dixieland rock.
Let your hands shake and do the Dixieland rock. When the clock struck 4, but she said no, daddy can't leave the floor. She wore a clinging dress that fit so tight, she couldn't sit down, so we danced all night. Do the Dixieland rock.
Dixieland rock.
Well, the Dixieland rock.
Dixieland rock.
Let your hands shake and do the Dixieland rock.